Okay, so we got a call on this little two-door prep table. Not reaching temperature. Pull the unit out. Checking for leaks. The unit was actually low on refrigerant. You can tell where the leak is. Yeah, I can even smell it, so I don't even need to use a leak detector for this guy here. So we're gonna cut these at the condensate loop, cut it, and we're gonna make a new one and take it from there. All right, stay tuned. Okay, got the new condensate mate already in place. Went ahead and cleaned the tray a little bit. Yeah, so we got that already put in place. And place here, another here. Replace the dryer. Gonna go ahead and pull a vacuum on this one. Charge it up, and then see how it does after we charge it up. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so the unit's back operating. Everything good. Pull the vacuum. Didn't find any other leaks. Or did not find any other leaks. Checking out. I've never seen this little box or this access to clean the condenser coil. That's weird. I've never seen it. So I guess you can go ahead and turn this little door up. And your condenser's there. Go ahead and blow it out with CO2. It was a bit dirty, so yeah, it's just nice and clean. But yeah, that's kind of weird. I've never seen this thing here. Little door for this type of condenser coils with the little axis or I think this unit's made by Duke, I think. My first time working on one of these guys. So yeah, everything's good. We'll go ahead and wait for the unit to draw temperature. And see how it does. Clean it up, have a mess. So yeah, it looks like someone had already put a booster, 3-in-1 booster on this guy. The press is fine. So that's how she ended up. So stay tuned. We'll see how she does, and hopefully everything's good. Stay tuned. Here's all the stuff I needed to get the job done. Put in one of these push carts. Refrigerant, vacuum there. Welding rig, gauges, copper tubing, my tool pouch, kneading pad. And here's the condensate loop that was leaking. You can tell it was leaking pretty much in all this area here. So that's the guy there. Here's an old dryer, old 32S. So that's all it took. Get it done. Nothing major, not a big deal. Got him going. So yeah, it's very common. It's kind of common to find leaks on those condensate loops. Charleston's always leak from there. This one's a Duke unit. Never worked on one of these guys. So it's kind of weird. Never seen that brand. But yeah, they all leak from there. So hopefully, well, this one's done. We'll catch you on the next one. Stay tuned. Share my videos, like, subscribe if you haven't. So, and like I said, I'm gonna be making videos of pretty much anything I come across. So this one was a leak repair. Fairly easy. Nothing crazy. And yeah, just nothing big. So stay tuned. Catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.